In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download in high resolution in Microsoft Designer. If you're finishing a project and want it to look as sharp as possible, the key is knowing how Designer handles exports and which file type to choose. Once you're happy with your layout, colors, and images, head to the top right corner of the interface and click the Download button. This is where you'll pick the format that best matches how you plan to use the design. You'll see options like PNG, JPEG, and PDF. PNG is ideal when you want high-quality images with crisp edges and no compression artifacts. It's a lossless format, which means it preserves detail, making it a strong choice for graphics, logos, or anything with transparency, and for online use where clarity matters. JPEG, on the other hand, creates a smaller file size by compressing the image. It's perfectly fine for general web use and quick sharing, but if your design includes fine lines, subtle gradients, or text that needs to look razor sharp, PNG will hold up better. For anything you plan to print or scale up, choose PDF. This option is best for posters, flyers, or large format pieces because it typically retains vector shapes and keeps text crisp, so edges stay clean when viewed or printed at bigger sizes. In other words, if quality on paper is a priority, PDF is the safest bet. It's also helpful to know that Microsoft Designer doesn't currently include a dedicated high-resolution export slider or DPI toggle like some other tools. Instead, it simply exports at the best available quality for the format you select. That means your main quality decision happens at the download step. Pick the format that aligns with your use case, and Designer will handle the rest at its optimal settings. To recap the practical choices, use PNG when image clarity is more important than file size, especially for detailed visuals or transparent backgrounds. Use JPEG when you need a smaller file, and you're sharing images online where extreme precision isn't necessary. And use PDF when the project is headed to print or needs to look great at large sizes, since PDF output generally keeps vector elements and text much sharper than a flat image. Once you've selected your format, confirm the download, save the file, and you're done. With the right format, your design will look crisp, clean, and ready for wherever you're showcasing it.